Alright, welcome to some more Ironman. This time I'm joined by no one. Just myself. But this is gonna be the run. A solo run indeed. Got some confidence after the runs that I did with Toki, so let's see how this goes. And because of those runs of Toki, I've started to use a pro flashlight. The weight difference is just negligible. It's like, if you really need the speed, you can just drop the flashlight and just run. Like, I just need that extra little bonus speed, and besides, or not bonus speed, but like that bonus light. It is so hard to see long distance with that fucking regular flashlight. It's just so bad. It's just so bad. I cannot. I'm just gonna be continuing with the pro flashlight from now on, because it's heavier, but at least I can see. And since we're solo, we're gonna be going to the 4 exit. Hopefully, we get some good stuffs. Just gotta hope I get a good loot room. Or something. And I missed. Okay. I really want to like consistently open the door from below so I don't have to walk all the way up, but very hard to consistently do. Okay, of course there's a labyrinth. I'm gonna jump across. Oh. Main. That's more labyrinth. Labyrinthy yet. E-type engine, so I'll take that. And it's a dead end. Well, seems the only way is to go to the right, or there's more labyrinth up here in the fire exit actually. Always check this out. Probably going to once I get this dropped out. Don't want it inside so a hoarding bug can take it. That would be not very preferable. Kind of like a vent. But yep. I really hope. Please be something manageable. No! I am just so bad. I can't believe it. Okay, well, we've already lost a run. That was super fast. This one's gonna go better though, because I'm not gonna die immediately to a thumper. Ooh. I'm beginning to believe I need to like practice against thumpers. This is just embarrassing. So, anything to save me. And of course to take damage. Alright, let's see. Forgot that was in my clipboard. And I keep forgetting to check my clipboard before I like paste it. There's at least 10 objects inside. Alrighty, back to the fire exit. Hopefully this goes better with the run. Because, oh man, the thumper just completely ruined me. I've already taken some damage to the circuit beast, so I'm pretty sure I will be one shot by the spider. So let's hope that I don't get one shot by a spider. Well, that's a good sign. At least I don't have to travel far with that. The locked door. Okay. More metal sheets. Seems to to just be this and another lock. That's the locked door and there's no keys. Looks like I'm going to main. Well, not the worst fate, but certainly could be better. Jesus, the metal sheets are just so heavy. Just so bad. Alright, let's see what main's got to offer. Okay. That looks like a labyrinth and more labyrinth. Okay. Well, let's see what this side's got for me. Rather not go to. Oh, wow. Yeah, I would rather not go to a labyrinth if I don't have to. Here's the apparatus. Anything else down here? Oh, another loot room. Okay. Nothing in it. Well, I suppose we'll take what we can get. Come back for the apparatus later. I'd rather not turn off my lights for now. You know. We're gonna do that last, just so that I can see at the very least. 12. Already getting pretty late in the game. In terms of my turn. This man. You're not like. Ooh. Oh, that's a dead end. Alright. Well, let's see what's over here. So far, just a complete dead end. Alright. Hopefully it doesn't continue to be dead end. Take the key. Just in case. Awful noise. See if this is. Hoping this would be unlocked, so I don't have to deal with a locked door. Nothing. Nice. Oh, wow. I was actually pretty lucky. Cash register on fucking experimentation? Damn. That's a locker room. Pretty lucky spawns. Well, not with how deep this is, though. And I don't know how I'm gonna get that cash register across that gap. I'm gonna be completely honest. 2? Okay, I have to just start hauling this back. What the hell? Drop these. Alright, let's get this over here. See if I can even hook this across. But thank God. Quite worried if you couldn't. Still just. That has to be like ridiculously lucky. That has to be. 2 is just so criminally good. Dropping these so that I can get the little extra like, mobility. Because I'm definitely gonna need it. Drop these. Alright, for the stamina to regen, I'll pick it up. Go. Now we gotta get this one. Right. Keep on trying to pick it up. I'll get the large axle across. Oh, it's much lighter. Wait for this. Damn. I wish I had a duo for this. This is like criminal. Like how lucky that is. Dude, I need to like look up the rates. Bitch. Bitch. It's a bitch. A fucking bitch. Coming in here and ruining all the fun. Okay. I don't even... Turn on my flashlight. I'm gonna need to check the time. That's so bad. Okay. Let's see how fast I can do this. Cash register. It's gonna be very loud. Gotta be as fast as I can now. I do not have time to waste. Like, at all, especially since it's already 7. I'm gonna turbo greed and I'm gonna get this other cash register, but I don't think I'll have time for the apparatus. That seems a bit greedy-delicious. And the apparatus will be worth less. I'm gonna stop talking. Gotta be as fast as I can with this. Need to concentrate in getting this out. Be quick with it. Yeah, that's not going to give me nearly enough of a weight increase or decrease to justify dropping it. I mean, I guess just in case. Oh, this is kind of stressful, I'm not going to lie. There's no way. Oh, I lost it. Do I even have the time? No, I don't. Damn. That was so fucking insane. 2 cash registers. Wow. I wish I had another person to help me carry everything, because that could have been a crazy experimentation. Oh my gosh. Alright. Time to go to assurance now. Hopefully? Let me. Here we go. Hopefully we get some pretty good rolls on this, just like the absolutely criminal roll on experimentation. And we got like, what was it, mild weather, so that's nice. Oh. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to scan too. Oh, there's 2 Bs. To be or not to be. That was like a necessary give. Like absolutely necessary. Let's get that there, and let's go start getting the other bees. Alright, I think that's one of the new ambiance, like, tracks. I remember hearing this back when the, like, v50, like, before the beta even came out. It was, like, one of the, like, tracks Zeekers released early. Get this over here. Alright. Now we just gotta get these on the ship, which shouldn't be too bad. The main concern is getting it back into the entrance before, what's it called? Before I get trolled by the knight or whatever. My brain could think of the fucking word. Before it gets trolled, like before it despawns, because if you don't get it in the ship, I'm pretty sure this despawns. Oh Jesus. That's 141 by the way, that's crazy. Like, I mean, that means I won't have to get too much inside of the facility to get like average roll. So that's nice at least. This unfortunate damage taking. And these ones go back there. Nice. My shovel and flashlight are still on the ground. We have 2 Bs, so we know at the very least that whatever this total is needs to be subtracted. 15 objects, so we've got at least 13. That's really good. Almost triggered those bees. That could have been bad. I was literally about to be out of stamina. Nice shovel and flashlight. Alright, now let's finally enter the facility at like 11:20. Much, much later than I would have normally liked to get in. But it was for bees, so it was for a good cause. It was to be. You know? Let's hope that we spawn in like a loot room or something. Well, I mean, technically we did. In a bracken room, terrible. Right over here. And we literally have to jump across. Awesome. That's gonna suck for transfers. At least got one thing out of the, like, what, 12? Jeez. Well, oh, bottles. It means there's a loot room nearby. Like, there literally has to be a loot room, like, on the other side. Yep. And that's where the bottles spawn. Alright, well. I don't appreciate this labyrinth, man. Let's see what's behind this door, and then... thinking I'm gonna get everything outside. Okay. Glad I checked it. Whoa! I can't drop that, but... drop this. Let's start getting this back. hopefully it's not too far. This. The clown horn is 0 weight, but it's like having the extra inventory space goes like a long way. Okay, walk into a pipe, nice. Let's get this. Just gotta get my shovel and shit, and then I think I'm good. I'm honestly not sure I even want to stick around. Don't really want to fuck around and find out. Not on today's agenda. Right, frankly. Anything else? No. Seems it's just gonna be a jump. The bottles. Ooh, that could have been bad. I'm so glad that didn't blow up, man. That could have been really bad. Alright, let's get this down here. Yeah, definitely no need to stick around. This out. And we get the rest out. I thought I was able to find that. Like loot room. I hate the ambiance. That could have been really bad otherwise. I say that because it's like if I had to go very deep to find a loot room, that would have sucked. But that didn't happen. Alright, I need to be quick with this so that nothing painful spawns. Alright, let's start hauling this back. I'm gonna drop the shovel so that I can get this. Yep. Gotta be as quick as possible. Don't wanna stay around too long. On the bright side, don't blow up. Oh, thank God. Thank God, man. Should have dropped off the flashlight. Oh well. Get the little extra speed boost. This. Okay. Gotta be quick, man. Probably a bad choice, but I want to get this back. I don't want to like have to scan for it in the middle of the night. This put up. Okay. Now let's go get the bottles. No! Damn. Yeah, I needed those to be closer to the door. I was really hoping I could get that. Well, I guess for future reference, if I'm solo, definitely put the beehives closer to here so it's easier to reach. Damn. Well, out of Vow. We're off to Vow. Let's hope that we get a good run. I'll say move this into the corner. Might as well. Thankfully, no weather conditions, so nothing too bad to worry about on that front. Alright, so at least one B. 14 objects inside. As far as the B goes. Okay, well I was gonna say I'm not gonna really look for it, but if it's literally right there, I don't see any reason why I wouldn't take it. Wow, what a terrible angle. I missed. Okay, let's try this again. Once my stamina regens. Trigger the bees. Miss again? That is crazy. Dude, what is happening? I am skill issuing to the max right now. I can't even enunciate properly. Grab the fucking hive. Okay. Well, there's only one hive, so I'm not too worried about the distance this time. Let's just get the shovel and flashlight where I dropped them. Here we are. Alright. Let's see what we have inside. And honestly, with these, like, these rolls are so good on the early days that, like, I shouldn't have to worry about tryharding for the tier 2 moons that much. I say that because I'll probably get some crazy good scrap value from the tier 3, so I'm not too worried. I just want to survive. Well, I don't even know if I'll, like, get to, like, Embryon or Adamant, so I'm mainly just focused on trying to survive to get to, like, Ren. Fire. You know, the fact those doors are open worries me. Gonna need to watch out for an early Bracken spawn on the bow. So hopefully I continuously check behind myself. Close those doors off. That's a f***ing labyrinth. The reason we close the doors off is because Bracken will open doors, as such, it'll make a noise. The logic goes that whenever you hear the door open, there's a good chance it's a Bracken behind you. At least if the door opens behind you. Literally nothing. Can't believe I get a fucking... not facility, labyrinth. Such a terrible spawn. Even more labyrinth, man. That's so bad. Yeah, like... Oh, it's a locker though. With a stop sign. Alright. Well, no lockers at all. That's already bad. See if there's anything up here. No. No. Seriously? More labyrinth behind a locked door. Just exactly what I wanted to see. By the way. Let's see what we got there. Let's see what it's got in store for us. A loot room. An empty loot room. Wow. You're so kind, game. Fuck. Well, at least we got a stop sign and, like, a chemical jug. I guess there's that to be happy about. Jeez. Well, let's get this outside. See if there's anything over here that I'm pretty sure just have to go more that way. I'm so terrified of Bracken, man. I do not want to get fucked up. I do not want to get fucked up, man. Seems to be quite empty. I think we literally have to go across the gap. Oh yeah, boot room. Pick up the remote, jeez. This is fire. And another open door. Dude, okay, yep. Dude, I knew something spawned. Bro, the fact I haven't seen anything scares me. I knew it. Bitch ass mofo. Alright, well, I kinda got everything that I wanted, so I don't think he can wrap around. Let's get this out. There's all of the entrances. I think I will dip with this. I hope this bridge doesn't break underneath me here. I bet it doesn't. Is that a giant? Huh. Alright, well, let's get this back to the ship. Let's do this as quickly as possible. Yet again, nothing to spawn, verbally. Don't exactly know where in the world I would find the rest of the objects, but it's not like I have the time to really find out. So, no use in fretting about it. No need to fret over every egg. Thankfully, I just have to do this trip and then I can just leave, because I literally found the fire exit. So, not sure what else I would find. This, I really hope this, that's so bad. I heard the noise, so that's really bad. Dog, I don't even know where he spawned. This is so bad. Oh. Okay, man. That's bad. Let's get past it. I would really like it if you just not come towards me. I'm glad that the pro flashlight actually like illuminates the silhouettes of shit. Because holy, that came in clutch there. I'm gonna wait until I'm like a good amount to the air before I do this. Okay. Well, nice. good. I feel actually somewhat confident in going into this now. Probably going to sell everything just in case if I die on my like tier 2 moons, because I don't want to mess with that. Like, just in case, even if I like lose all the scrap on the second moon and I like don't hit like quota, at least still have sold everything, I guess, for tier 3. Like if I die on like the second to last, at least I'll be able to recover the run and I'll be able to go to the tier 3s. Alright, well, time to go sell. And see how much I got in total. See if I did better in a solo run than I did in a duo run. That would be kind of funny. But to be fair, I literally got 2 fucking cash registers on Experimentation, so I suppose my luck is a little cracked. Oh! I spoke too soon! Oh god. I am terrified. Oh, thank god. Thank god I only had 2. I hate those fucking eggs so much.
Your hard work is invaluable.
Like literally picking them up is almost just not worth the effort. Just because they can blow up, it's so terrible. And at the same time, if you don't pick it up, it's like, well, like you might not get enough scrap for it. It is just so bad. Not a fan. That's nearly everything. I have a good feeling about the future for actually like completing the run. I literally just have to like reach quota for the second day and I'll be good. Like, I'm gonna do the
company
math.
must stay happy. The company must.
The company must stay happy. Interesting. Alright. Keep forgetting how much it is in total to like go to all of these. 550 and like what? That's 1150. So 1850 in total is what I need. I've got 982. Alright. I have to get like 1,000 base, a little under 1,000 in order to stay on target. That's concerning. I thought I could like relax. I did like good on those days and I'm like on pace to like reach it. Jesus.
Report to the company building immediately to set.
Report again. At least it's just 700 now. Literally just need to get 700 and I will have enough. Let's hope I can hit this jump or I'm throwing the run. Oh, I'm throwing the run! That's so bad. Oh, and their nest is right there. God. Man, I'm really throwing. Oh, man. Of course there's an old bird, man. This, I am so cooked. It's so Jover. I mean, we'll see how this goes, but on the bright side, at least he'll fucking eradicate everything else on the map, but at what cost? Well, there's a metal sheet here. And a loot room, seems. With nothing in it. Wow. Okay. Awesome. Cool, even. All the way on, thankfully. Oh, there's a landmine on the stairs. That's just wonderful. Please don't miss the jump. Thank God. Alright, time to get this out. Just I know it's a dead end over here. This outside. That way the hoarding bug can just fucking go into it. Okay, that's just a labyrinth. Well, glad they take the V-tag over here. That's a dead end. Okay. Just wait for it. Yeah. Unfortunate. Literally have to go into this labyrinth. Let's see. Well. Dead end. Awesome. Possible loot room? Of course. Oh, actual loot room. I meant like the graded area, but it works. Like, in terms of a loot room. It's pretty good. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna take the clown horn last, because that has no weight. So, I can easily transfer it. That's so bad. Of course there's a thumper. I mean, it has a really high spawn rate. So, let's go get the clown horn. Let's prepare to deal with the thumper. Where is Thumpy Boy? Not sure on it. Okay, well. Oh, there you are. Yes. Oh my god, two? No! Oh, that's so bad. There were two. That was so terrible. I hate just seeing the other one get pushed out by the coil head. Okay, well, I have no means of self-defense for these next few moons. That's... Oh, that's bad. Let's see if I can even recover the run. I do not think this is recoverable. Oh, it's flooded too. Oh, that's just terrible. Oh, I need a scan. Okay. 14 objects. No idea if there's any of these. Yeesh. This is gonna suck. At least for transfers. I'm imagining this water level is gonna go up to like an annoying level. Oh, it's flooded. I mean, obviously, but fuck. I hope there's a fire exit here. Ah, it's on the other side. Fuck. I may possibly be throwing right now. Very good possibility. Hopefully I get to the other fire exit in time. Should be around here. Just turn up here. I hope I don't walk into any mud. Where in the world is this fire exit? Oh, here it is. Well, that's something. Right side. Oh, this is gonna be so hard to see. Oh dear. Well, bottles on the right side. Anything else? I see the possibility of more loot that way, but I have to check it later. Nothing over here. Okay, awesome. I really wish I had that flashlight now. Really wish I had that. Alright. Oh, awesome. Guess we're going over there. Jesus, I thought the fucking metal bars were like, was like something standing there. Hey. The possibility of loot, and that's a gem. Yeah, I don't think I want to try a jump out without a light. Oh, that's so bad. That's so bad. Wait. Oh! What? What the fuck was that? What? Oh no. Bro. The fuck was that noise? Bro. I am thoroughly sketched out right now. Thoroughly sketched out! Oh! No, don't say hey. Oh no. That's so bad. Don't tell me I have the fucking ghost girl on me, man. Lucky. I will gladly accept. Just really nothing. Well, that's main. I guess. Oh, V-type. Hey, loot room. Well. Okay. I think my best bet is to drop this all outside. Probably right here. this. Check this out real fast. And yeah, that's just definitely not worth my time. To quickly get the fuck out. Just goes deeper into the facility. Okay. No baiting this time. This time I'm for real getting out. For reals get out now. That's so bad. It's so hard to see. Where the fuck? Okay, and then there's the turret on my left. Definitely need to get my stamina back. Oh! So bad. So fucking bad, man. Why? Bro, get. Ah! Oh, it's a fucking web. No! No! This is not how I go. No! This is not how it ends. Oh my god, and that's the turret hallway. Bro. Bro, I need to cut my losses and just go main. Please tell me this is... Oh no, this is the dead end. Of course this is the dead end. It's so bad. Oh, thank God. Oh, this is so bad. Oh my. I cannot believe this. Dude, it's flooded so much. It is so high now. Dude, I don't even know where he's at. Oh, he's in front of me somewhere. Oh, I see him. Or at least his silhouette. Oh my god, how am I gonna get back? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so bad. Oh my god. Please let me jump, game. Please let me fucking... Oh my god. I don't think, no matter how hard I try, I'm getting that loot back. No matter what I do, that loot is definitely gone forever. Or my life would be gone forever. Oh man, that's so bad. I don't think, I think this is looking incredibly bleak. Ooh. Let's hope Adamance goes well. I just need to somehow acquire 800 in loot from this one day. Just a small amount, honestly. Nothing big, you know. Nothing too crazy. Oh, that's just great. I mean, thinking this time around, I'll at least see how far I can, how many tier 3s I can buy. See how those go. Well, so far so good, I suppose. I immediately hear a spike trap. Okay. Oh wow, that is nearby. Why is a hairbrush on there? Oh, that's bad. Well, if I had a key, I could open that. Let's get this out here. I almost walked onto the landmine. Oh my god. That is a lot. Like... wow. Well... is the comeback possible? I didn't even scan, by the way, so I don't even know how much is on here. And it just seems so jover. And I can't even see. Don't tell me the spike trap. Oh, that's so bad. Of course the spike trap is where the fog is. What was that? That was such a bad spawn. Well, if the run wasn't over before, it definitely is over now. Oh. Can I even, like, afford a tier 3 moon at this point? Actually, no, it doesn't even matter because I don't even have scrap. Damn. Well, an unfortunate sign-off to this one. But, as is the way of most Ironman runs, I suppose.
As you have not met the profit quota, your performance has been deemed below standard. Welcome to our disciplinary process.
Hopefully next time. Hopefully next time.